You've been so different times that I have visited Karachi. And Karachi, I came for the visit for the Chief Minister of Sindh, and I had a meeting, and it was my first time meeting with the Chief Minister. And so if working with the trading side from Pakistan, trying to export more to Somalia and import more to Somalia and Pakistan, the relations. And as I wanted to mention as well, Pakistan, especially Karachi in Sindh, I have a great friends and I feel like I'm second home, and always really enjoying coming to Karachi. Very great people, great brothers and sisters around. And basically is, as you know, that Somalians students are here around 700. And this beautiful event has been hosted Mr. Basit and his great beloved family. And I would like to thank him so much for coming together for all brothers and the business people around Karachi, especially Sindh. And really enjoying by the time always coming and missing Karachi to come over in Karachi. And they're working, and I'm very grateful that we don't have a specific target, but I just want them to Pakistani business to able to focus in Africa and especially in Somalia, because Somalia, as you know, that they have been through a lot of situation last 28 years, and Alhamdulillah, everything is going grateful now. And I just wanted to inform the trading people and the business people of Pakistan, Karachi, especially Pakistan, all over Pakistan, to able to see the potential and an opportunity in Somalia. And basically the way that I have, as I said, Karachi is not the first time, and I have a great people and already have been trading from Somalia and Pakistan, and we have a very common things between the relations. We have a good friends and brothers and sisters in Karachi. And Somalia, most of the things that we have import from outside, export. And industry, as I said, that Pakistan is very famous for the industry, and they really, we want to have industry and learn from our brother country in Pakistan to could able to start with small industry, to could see potential as well. Is a big market in Africa, as you said. Somalia is a gateway to Africa, and it is big market as well in Somalia that we don't have much numbers of industry. So we're really focusing as well industry and to be able to start it in Somalia, inshallah. And if I say Somalia food and Pakistan food is very similar, addition of the spices, and I don't see much different from the I'm eating Somalian food and the difference between Pakistan. So I really enjoy the food of Pakistan, and especially Karachi. The hospitality of Karachi is really great, and honor to be here today in this Karachi.
Thank you. And does your family like Pakistan?
Definitely, you could see that my son is around with me. He's with me. I live with my family in Pakistan, so we enjoy all our family the time that we are staying in Pakistan.